Hey guys! It's been a long time since I've done a video and lots have changed. You might hear some little baby babbles because that's my assistant who's just behind the camera eating a cracker. She might talk to us a little bit, but yeah, lots has changed since I have posted last. There she is. That's little baby Lila. So today I'm here at my desk and I'm going to do something that I've never done before. I'm going to do a fabric unboxing video. And the fabric that I'm going to be opening up today is from a supplier that I've personally never purchased from before, but I've been following for a long time, and they seem to have a really big cult following online, and that fabric company is Blended Threads, and they are based in Canada, which is awesome because that's where I am too. So it's always nice to support another Canadian business. So I have my package right here. I picked it up from the post office today, and I'm going to open it and get my first look at Blended Thread fabrics. So this is something that I ordered from one of their most recent retail drops. It was from their linen, one of their linen rounds. Oh my goodness. And and I can already see it is pretty amazing. Wow. So I bought 2 linen colorways. I actually tried to get 3. I really wanted to get my hands on some black for some personal projects, but I didn't. I got my hands on some mustard and some light gray, and it's pretty amazing. So what did I buy? I bought bamboo. Let me see here. I got an Airheads, which is awesome. My daughter's gonna love that. A beautiful business card, my invoice. So what did I buy here? I bought cotton lycra jersey out on the mustard and bamboo jersey for the gray. So here is the bamboo. So here's my gray. So it's a jersey knit fabric, but it has like a linen print on it. You can see it's got like that faux slub. It's pretty amazing. So this is the bamboo. I have to say it's not quite as silky as some other bamboos that I have purchased in the past, but it's still beautiful. It's got a really nice lightweight to it. And it's going to make a beautiful top for myself because this is for me to selfish sew with. Though I'm thinking I might need to buy some, here's the drape for some lingerie as well. So this is the bamboo. It's got a great drape to it. It's nice, lightweight, perfect summer fabric. And this was, yes, Lila, you like fabric too, don't you? This was the medium gray, I believe. And it's lovely. So the mustard, this is a color that I have just kind of recently discovered that I love. It seems to be pretty popular right now. And this is the cotton lycra jersey, and I can already feel it's got like a lot of bounce, a lot of stretch, and some good recovery to it. So this one actually feels quite smooth. Smoother than, smoother, maybe a little bit lighter than other cotton lycra jersey I normally would purchase, but it's beautiful. It's got a great hand. It really feels nice. Here you can see the detail. So it's got a lot of kind of light and dark there. You can kind of see that faux linen slub. Lila's super excited about it. So these I'm hoping to make into some leggings. That's my plan for that. Leggings for me and my kids. So that's it. They are pretty amazing. I ordered some other fabrics from Blended Threads, but on pre-order. So that means that they have to have the fabrics printed first, and then they're shipped out to everybody who orders ahead of time. And I think from that order, I ordered some athletic knit. So I will do another unboxing video when I get those in the mail, which should be in a few weeks, I hope. Anyways, in non-fabric related news, if you're watching this upon release, you probably are like me, kind of quarantined to your house due to this whole coronavirus pandemic. We are going into our 3rd week of social distancing, and it's been a really challenging few weeks. I know schools are closed here. We're fairly lucky in Canada. We have relatively low numbers but it is a really scary time. So I just hope that you can do whatever little thing brings you a little bit of joy. For me, it's getting some fabric in the mail is something that's really fun. Trying to sneak in a little bit of sewing. I know that's really hard if you're like me and you have kids home with you who maybe otherwise would have been in school. Um, Lila's having a great time. But yeah, I hope you're able to find a little bit of joy in these times, because it certainly, it feels like the world has gone crazy. Okay, I think Lila's telling me that my time is up. I hope you liked my video. I'm really happy with these fabrics, and hopefully I'll be back maybe in a few weeks showing you what I made with them. Bye.